Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the remote and TV so the pairing will work reliably. Put in fresh batteries and turn the TV on. A low battery or powered-off receiver prevents signals from registering. Next, find the remote setup or code search button. This initiates programming, and note the manufacturer code list if printed on the remote or manual. Once done, sit within 6 feet, point directly at the TV, and be ready to follow button sequences. This reduces interference and ensures the remote learns the correct command set. You now program the remote using either automatic search or manual code entry. For automatic, hold setup until a light blinks, press the TV device key, then press and release power repeatedly while the remote cycles codes. Stop when the TV responds and save with setup. If that doesn't work, enter the brand code from the list by pressing setup, then the code digits. The remote should blink to confirm. Make sure you test core controls, volume, channel, input, because some codes map incomplete functions and may require trying alternate codes. You finish by saving and verifying the programming so daily use is seamless. Lock in the code with the remote's save or setup confirmation and retest every button. If volume or input don't work, retry the automatic search or enter alternative brand codes. Make sure batteries remain fresh and that nothing blocks the IR path. If programming seems corrupted, perform a factory reset on the remote and repeat the full sequence. This clears wrong codes and gives you a clean start to successfully pair the remote with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.